Hello, it's Greg here. I'm in Albury, and it's the second last day of the year. It's the last Wednesday of the year, and we are at Albury railway station, and it's about 29 degrees, and it's really sunny and everything. And normally, if we weren't living through COVID times, the train would go right through to Melbourne from Sydney. But we are living on unusual times, so the train will terminate here. I don't know how people get across from Melbourne to Albury. There must be some way, but who knows? Maybe the train terminates at Wodonga. I don't know. Look, we've ended up on the border a few times now. Last night we were in a town called Wangaratta. I said that wrong. Some lake up the Murray River. Malawanga, something like that. And literally on the border there. And we're on the border here in Albury and everything. And if you look, that's Wodonga, Victoria, down there. And this is the old railway line. It's a beautiful old station. It's quite old, obviously. So yes. And I think there's a big wall over here. I think it's, how would you say, the highway. Like the highway to Victoria. Have a look at the railway station now. Pretty impressive. I walked right up to the highway. I didn't realise the highway was so close to the railway station. That's why I'm taking a bit of time now, just so you can look at the highway, the main highway, the Hume, the Daily Hume, and everything. And this is pretty fantastic. We'll be able to show you an aerial shot of the Hume. And yes, that's what we're looking at right now. Is the Hume Highway, joining the two biggest cities in Australia, Melbourne and Sydney. And if you can see in the distance, you probably can see the border check and how people are being slowed down. So once again, they're told to slow down and get checked at the border, as you can see in the distance. But anyway, so here I am, Wednesday, the last day of the year. Actually enjoying the holiday. Sometimes I get annoyed with family, but what can you do? Anyway, bye.